If you want more clarity, mental growth, relaxation and happiness, subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button and hit the bell notification so that you don't miss our future videos. Top 5 ways to manifest your dreams. Instead of rolling with the punches or just letting life go whichever way it does, why not try dealing yourself a better set of cards and making life work for you? Even if you don't realise it, you are creating your own reality through every thought and action you have, including how that snooze button meant being late for work, which meant losing your job, and so on. Here are 5 ways to make manifestation work for you, and in turn, work for your dreams. Number 1, know what you want. Having a clear vision can help you every step of the way. Knowing your destination means you know how to get there, where to steer clear of, and what is waiting for you when you arrive. Your destination can be a promotion, a family, or even a real place like a tropical vacation. Number 2, have intention. Manifestation relies on intention and focus. Focus directs energy to get to work in the right spot. Without intention, that energy may be wasted on things that won't help, or that can even hurt your journey. Number 3, stop expecting. You know what you want and how to get there, so you probably find yourself waiting every day and expecting it to happen at a certain point in your life. Instead of putting all that stress on when and how, just focus on the fact that it will. Number 4, support yourself. You have to love and support yourself to find that love and support manifestate in the universe around you. Don't get lost in just working towards your dreams. Take a moment to remember that if you take care of yourself, the universe will take care of you. Number 5, align your actions. You have a goal and a way of getting there, so make sure your actions work with those ideas. If your goal is a vacation to relax, align your spending, savings and mindset towards that. By putting your actions in line, manifestation of those goals will come easily. Everything happens for a reason, and you are the reason that many things in your life happen. Having clear goals, plans on achieving them, and a healthy sense of self, and the universe around you will make manifestation achievable and enjoyable.